You a mean pug. She's a meanie. Num num num. I'm gonna get you. I was gonna wrestle you. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're gonna cough up a lung. Yes, she's trying to wrestle me. Why are you all dirty? What happened to you? Why are you all dirty? Oh my gosh. Where's your ball? All right, go get your crab and we'll play. Okay? You have to quit wrestling, Mom. You can't. Guys are getting all crazy. What are you getting all crazy for? I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby, that ain't happening. Is it you? Is it me? Okay, let's play this game. 1, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, Dink Doodle's all excited. Whoa, she's even barking. Get it. Wow, full of energy today, my love child. Yes, she's a little cray-cray. A little cray-cray. 1. How come you're so cute? How come your cute little eye is so cute? Drop. 1, 2, 3. The skeeters are coming out. I see a curly tail. Don't eat all the debris. What you doing? Go play. Go play. Go lay in the grass. It's nice out. Go lay in the grass. Look at, she's still not even shedding. Dun, 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 dun. What are you doing? What are you eating, Tinky Butt?